2015 Chevrolet Tahoe with a 5.3 liter V8, working on the throttle body position sensor. Getting some intermittent throttle issues. It's not pulling a code yet, but you can tell it's there. These do tend to wear out over time with heat because it's just a couple of contacts riding around on a flat plate. So it's pretty easy to do on these, nice and easy to get to. Our intake tube is not in the way, so it's easy for us to get to. The old factory style ones were always in the way, so you'd have to take that off to be able to get access to it. First step in replacing this is this little red lock tab on the connector. You gotta pull that back, pull the connector off, and then these little clips that go all the way around it. Just gotta pop those clips off. It's all just held on by the clips, and then you can take the old one off and put the new one on. This is what it looks like when it's removed and all the clips are taken off. This is the throttle body sensor itself. This is what it looks like on the inside. When you look online, there are a lot that look very similar, but this generation has this little circuit board printed on the inside, and the housing shape is just a little bit different than most others. Installation, simply just putting the new one back on, putting all the clips back on, and then reconnecting the connector. Simple as that.